As the sudden spike in COVID-19 cases has forced the BMC and Maharashtra government to mull fresh lockdown measures, Shiv Sena's mouthpiece Samna today said that the situation in the state is worrying and serious, and though lockdown will be the last step, people should take all necessary precautions. The ward office in M West ward that covers Chembur has already started issuing new guidelines to societies and directed the hawkers to undergo COVID-19 test as the area is clocking in the highest numbers of new COVID-19 cases. Reports said that civic officials also hinted at the possibility of imposition of local lockdown measures to control the rising cases. Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar had also warned of a lockdown as she noted that most people travelling on trains did not wear masks. Amid the concerns, Maharashtra Minister Rajendra Shingne also tested positive for coronavirus. The results of elections in 2,302 wards of 8 municipal corporations and 109 municipal council Nagar Panchayats in Punjab will be declared today, even as the re-polling was ordered in 2 polling booths of SAS Nagar and 3 polling booths of municipal councils of Patran and Samna in Patiala. The polls are being seen as an acid test for all the 4 main political parties, namely Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Shiromani Akali Dal and Bharatiya Janata Party. The high-octane civic body poll was the first ground-level electoral battle after the farmers' agitation began over the centre's farm laws. The political parties, including ruling Congress Party and the former alliance partner of the BJP, the Shiromani Akali Dal, have pegged these civic polls as a referendum on the farm laws. Hours after being removed as Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, Kiran Bedi on Wednesday morning said that she found a message on the cover of a diary that told her to have kind heart, fierce mind and brave spirit. Bedi was removed from her post on Tuesday night in a sudden development when the Union Territory was witnessing a political crisis following the resignation of Congress MLAs from the V. Narayan Swamy government. A brief communique issued by the Rashtrapati Bhavan spokesperson Ajay Kumar Singh said that the President has directed that Bedi shall cease to hold the office of the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. The petrol and diesel prices on Wednesday were hiked for the 8th time in the last 10 days as a rally in international oil prices took retail rates in India to new highs. The petrol and diesel prices were increased by 25 paise per litre according to a price notification of state-owned fuel retailers. As a result, the hike took the petrol prices in Delhi at Rs 89.54 per litre. Subsequently, the diesel rate climbed to Rs 79.95 a litre in the city. A report by the Mint said that the rise in crude prices will also put upward pressure on petrol and diesel prices across the country, which are already at all-time highs due to the recent rally in international crude prices as well as high central and state levies. All those killed in the glacier disaster in Uttarakhand suffered bodily injuries and sludge and water entered their lungs, Chamoli Chief Medical Officer G.S. Rana said on Tuesday. On February 7, a flash flood triggered by glacier burst in Chamoli killed a large number of people, besides demolishing a 13.2 megawatt hydel project in Rishiganga and caused extensive damage to the 520 megawatt Dhauliganga hydel project of the National Thermal Power Corporation. Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, Our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.